Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of missed abortion with multiple fetal anomalies. The duration of the pregnancy measures about 16 weeks 5 days, and the anomalies include encephalocele, soft tissue edema, and small sized limbs. You can see the placenta is anteriorly attached, fetal head is visible, and an encephalocele is seen in the hind portion of the fetal skull. Although a variety of terms are used to describe pregnancy failure, the presence of clear-cut sonographic evidence that a non-living embryo is present, the term embryonic demise may be applied. Ultrasound diagnosis of miscarriage should only be considered when either a mean gestational sac diameter is equal to or more than 25 mm, with no obvious yolk sac, or a fetal pole with a crown rump length of equal to or more than 7 mm, without any evidence of fetal cardiac activity. You can see the large encephalocele, and this encephalocele lies in the hind portion of the fetal skull, and it measures about 4.7 centimeter into 3.9 centimeter approximately. Again, you can see this encephalocele. Now, encephalocele is a rare disorder in which the bones of the skull do not close completely. This creates a gap through which the cerebrospinal fluid, brain tissue, and the meninges, the membranes that cover the brain, can protrude into a sac-like formation. As you can see in this case, an intertwined membrane is also seen, and there is a small other gestation sac which has blytodome, which is empty without any fetus or embryo seen in its interior, or POCs, product of conception. Now, encephalocele forms when the neural tube doesn't close properly during gestation. A neural tube is a narrow channel that folds and closes to form the brain and the spinal cord. The exact cause, however, is unknown. It usually occurs among families with a history of spina bifida and anencephaly. Ultrasound images of the fetus can reveal the presence of herniated fluid-filled sac outside the skull. Encephalocele that go undetected during gestation usually are diagnosed at birth by observation of the deformity. Now you can see the soft tissue edema. The soft tissue edema is visible especially on the fetal skull. Sometimes encephaloceles are detected during a routine prenatal ultrasound at as early as 13 weeks of gestation. If an encephalocele is suspected on the ultrasound, a fetal MRI can provide all the details necessary to confirm the diagnosis. The symptoms of the encephalocele are neurological problems. Hydrocephalus, cerebrospinal fluid accumulates in the brain. Spastic quadriplegia, paralysis of the limbs. Microcephaly, an abnormally small-sized head. Ataxia, that is uncoordinated muscle movement. Developmental delay and vision problems. Mental and growth retardation are also seen. You can see there is no fetal cardiac activity, no fetal movements are visible due to the fetal demise. This is a case of miscarriage. A missed Abortion is a non-viable intrauterine pregnancy that has been retained within the uterus without spontaneous abortion. Typically, no symptoms exist beside amenorrhea, and the patient finds out that the pregnancy stopped developing earlier when a fetal heartbeat is not observed or heard at the appropriate time. An ultrasound usually confirms the diagnosis. In addition to the sign of fetal life on sonography, some chorionic bleeding is an important factor affecting the outcome of the gestations. In patients with clinical threatened abortion, the most common cause for first trimester spontaneous abortion is fetal chromosomal abnormalities. Now again you can see this is the fetal soft tissue edema. While most practitioners wait until at least 6 weeks to perform the first ultrasound, a gestational sac can be seen as early as 4.5 weeks after the last periods. A heartbeat can be detected as early as 5 to 6 weeks, though it might not be detected that early in all cases. A missed abortion is a missed miscarriage in which a fetus doesn't form or fetal demise had occurred, but the placenta and the embryonic tissue are still in the uterus. It is known more commonly as missed miscarriage. It is also sometimes called silent miscarriage. A missed abortion is not an elective abortion. Now, you can see the fetal limbs. Then these are the hands, and you can see the femur also. This is the femur is visible and looks to be small sized. Encephalocele are usually dramatic deformities diagnosed immediately after birth, but occasionally a small encephalocele in the nasal or forehead region can go undetected. This is a genetical component to the condition. It often occurs in families with a history of spina bifida and encephalocele in other family members. Now you can see both the legs and they are small sized. In encephalocele, babies with the remaining brain tissue is often exposed, not covered by bone or skin. Affected babies are usually blind, deaf, unconscious, and unable to feel pain. Almost all babies with encephalocele die before birth, although some may survive a few hours, a few days after birth. Or neurotube defects are the birth defects of the brain, spine, or spinal cord. They happen in the first month of pregnancy, often before a woman even knows that she is pregnant. The two most common neural teeth defects are spina bifida and anencephaly. In spina bifida, the fetal column doesn't close completely. Now, in the case of fetal demise, a dead fetus that has been in the uterus for 4 weeks can cause changes in the body clotting system. These changes can put a woman at much higher chance of significant bleeding if she waits for a long time after the fetal demise to deliver the pregnancy. The term the miscarriage is a word used to describe the early loss of pregnancy before 20 weeks of pregnancy. It Usually happens in the first trimester, unfortunately between 10 to 15% of known pregnancies end in miscarriages. Now again you can see these are the spines of the fetus. Placenta is interiorly attached and a capsulocele is seen along with the fetal head. Now there are three hypothetical causes of fetal demise in the first trimester: pyrovirus fetal infection, primary viral infection of the myocardial cells initially causes myocarditis, leading to the hydrops, cardiac failure, and demise. Bone marrow transit aplastic crisis, and the placenta with fetal infections. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.